it's James from Motorhome Retrofits, and today we've been working on this VW T6 camper conversion. So it's a 2019 model and the vehicle has come in for the Motorhome Wi-Fi or Campervan Wi-Fi system with an antenna, SharkFin antenna that goes on the roof and a little compact router that goes in the back. So we're going to just show you the panel that we've just done a custom install for. Okay, so we are now at the bespoke panel that Richard's put a nice hole in for the Wi-Fi system. So this is the Compact Plus. Now the aerials will come in through the top hole there, connect to the system. The SIM card is ready, the router is unlocked, ready for you to use any network you wish. And then once you've done that, this particular Compact Plus has a battery in it, so you can physically unplug it from its router or from its dock, and then you can take it outside. To me personally, having it plugged into the aerials much better, and where we've located it in the rear of the van means it's close to power, close to the antenna and highly functional. Now what we're going to do now is show you a bit of the wiring behind the scenes. Okay, so we're now in the back of the van and you can see that we're working with a Sargent onboard AC and DC power supply. So that's your 12 volt and your 240 volt supply. On the front here you have various switches and we've got the solar panel system. And then if the camera can see, this is our work here. Inline fuse for the Wi-Fi system and then a ground on the back here. And we're about at that stage to run the aerial cables up, put our false panel back in and connect up the Wi-Fi system. So we're just on the back of the van here, just showing you a little bit about the SharkFin antenna that comes with this kit. In an ideal world, we would like to fit it as centrally as we can towards the rear of the van, but this has got a pop top. We have done one of these before where we tried to fit the antenna at the customer's request underneath the pop top and hide it away, but unfortunately then you've got no way of fixing the antenna down for a good waterproof seal. So with this particular one, we've opted for a pop top bolt through. We've extended the shaft of the antenna and then bolted it on and used a large nut underneath that comes with the kit. Unfortunately, with this particular pop top and this design, there is only the outside edges that we can work with. But what you can see with the cameras, we've then neatly brought the cabling down to join in with the twin solar panels that were already fitted here on the Campervan and routed it all the way down here and back into the van. Okay, and that's it. The installation has been completed, all done and dusted. We've put the SIM card in there that comes with the pack, and it's now for the customer to get this activated online and set it up. And once he has done that, then he'll be able to see and use full functionality of this particular mobile router that we've put in. As I said before, this particular router is the Compact Plus and does have a battery inside. So if you wanted to unplug it from its little base station, you can then do and move it outside as well. Thanks as usual for watching, guys, and this has been a video for Motorhome Retrofits. Don't forget to like and subscribe, tell your friends and family, and see you soon.